Every second, your body makes 3.8 million new cells. That's 330 billion cells every day, or about 2.8 ounces of what you are made of. Once you really grasp it, you realize there are few things with more spectacular potential than our body's own ability to heal itself. So it's almost funny to think about just how much time medicine has spent fighting against ourselves. We take out your tonsils. We remove your appendix. We give you antibiotics. But imagine a future where ideas like surgery or even chemotherapy might actually sound as strange as bloodletting or hysteria does today. For the last 200 years, this vision has gained traction behind a field of medical pioneers with a healing science known as homeopathy. Like all visionaries, homeopaths have been called heroes and met with opposition at just how revolutionary it is to claim that your body can be guided to heal itself. But as it grows at an annual rate of 20%, on track to be a $64 billion global industry by 2027, homeopathy is hard to ignore. Recent advances in research have come to a point that can begin to bring widespread understanding to the science that is homeopathy. Which brings us to a crossroads in medicine that gives patients more freedom to choose their own direction for health than ever before. This is an investigation into the future of science and medicine. This is Introducing Homeopathy.